Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have the sheet open and the column with the prefixes selected. Now create a backup column to preserve raw data. First, detect whether the prefix is fixed or ends at a delimiter like. Or, once done, in the new column enter a formula. Use right/len for fixed length prefixes or split/rejects extract for delimiter-based removal. This starts the process immediately while protecting your original values, so you can compare results and iterate safely. Now you will apply the appropriate method. If the prefix is a known length, use right with len and a numeric n. This directly strips the left characters. For delimiter or variable patterns, use split or rejects replace to match and remove everything before the delimiter, or rejects extract to capture the remainder. If rows are many or rules complex, write a short app script to loop and replace. That automates bulk edits and avoids manual copying later. Finish by copying the formula column and using paste values to freeze the clean text. This avoids formula dependencies. Then scan a few edge cases, blank cells, missing delimiters, or unexpected characters. Correct them or add IFR/IF statements to your formula. If outputs are wrong, double-check your rejects pattern or switch to a delimiter-based split for simplicity. If behavior persists, revert to the backup column and iterate. That troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.